Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the functionalism theory of Bronislaw Malinowski. We are doing topic 6 anthropological theories from Braintree. The source for this video is Braintree material. This video is presented by me, Aman Yadav. Functionalism, a reaction to outdated ideologies. बाकी किसी पैराडाइम या बाकी किसी थ्योरी की तरह फंक्शनलिज्म भी एक आउटडेटेड आइडियोलॉजी के खिलाफ एक नई प्रेजेंटेशन थी, नई थ्योरी थी. तो फंक्शनलिज्म एज अ न्यू पैराडाइम वॉज प्रेजेंटेड एज अ रिएक्शन अगेंस्ट what was believed to be outdated ideologies. That is, functionalism was an attempt to move away from evolutionism and diffusionism that dominated American and British anthropology at the turn of century. There was a shift in focus from the speculative historical or diachronic study of customs and cultural traits as survivals to historical synchronic study of social institutions within bounded functioning societies. Functionalists presented their theoretical and methodological approaches as an attempt to expand socio-cultural inquiry beyond the bounds of the evolutionary conception of social history. That is, the evolutionary school postulated that an observed cultural fact was seen not in terms of what it was at the time of observation, but in terms of what it must stand for reference to what has formerly been the case. तो मोस्टली होता क्या है, जब हमें कोई चीज़ दिखती है, किसी चीज़ को हम ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, बट लेकिन हम बाद में जब उसको किसी को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं तो हम उसको अपने अकॉर्डिंग डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, तो वहाँ उसकी एक्चुअल फॉर्म जो होती है वो चेंज हो जाती है. तो फंक्शनलिस्ट का मानना था कि जो एक्चुअल में जो केस है हमें उस पर फोकस करना चाहिए, रेदर देन किसी ने किस तरह से ऑब्जर्व करके अपने पर्सपेक्टिव में बताया उस पर ना फोकस करते हुए जो एक्चुअल रियलिटी है उसकी तरफ मूव करना. फ्रॉम द फंक्शनलिस्ट स्टैंड पॉइंट, these earlier approaches privileged speculative theorizing over the discovery of facts. Functionalists believed the reality of events was also to be found in the manifestation in the present. Hence, if events were to be understood, it was their contemporary functioning that should be observed and recorded. This approach points towards an emphasis on synchronic studies. Malinowski's theory of functionalism. The primary starting points of Malinowski's theory included: first, understanding behavior in terms of the motivation of individuals, including both rational, scientifically validated behavior and irrational, ritual, magical और religious behavior. तो अगर किसी भी इंडिविजुअल के बिहेवियर को समझना है तो उसके पीछे का रीज़न हमें जानना पड़ेगा कि उसके पीछे मोटिवेशन क्या है, चाहे वो बिहेवियर रैशनल हो, इरेशनल हो, रिचुअल हो, मैजिक हो, रिलीजियस भी, कोई भी है, उसके पीछे एक मोटिवेशन क्या है, उसके पीछे रीज़न क्या है कि लोग क्यों इस तरह से बिहेव करते हैं, तो उसके पीछे रीज़न को समझना. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट वॉज रिकॉग्नाइजिंग द इंटरकनेक्टेडनेस ऑफ डिफरेंट आइटम्स विच कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड एज कल्चर टू फॉर्म सम काइंड ऑफ सिस्टम. तो चीज़ों के बीच में जो कनेक्टेडनेस है, एक चीज़ दूसरी चीज़ से कैसे रिलेट करती है, उसको समझना. थर्ड इज understanding a particular item by identifying its function in the current contemporary operation of culture. The inclusiveness of Malinowski's concept of culture is an apparent in this statement. So he gave this statement in his text, The Scientific Theory of Culture and Other Essays. It obviously is the integral whole consisting of implements and consumer goods of constitutional characters, constitutional charters for the various social groupings of human ideas and crafts, beliefs and customs. Whether we consider a very simple or premature culture or an extremely complex and developed one, we are confronted by a vast apparatus, partly material, partly human and partly spiritual, by which man is able to cope with the concrete, specific problems that fact him. Culture is essentially an institutional apparatus by which man puts in a position to better cope with the concrete, specific problems that face him in his environment in the course of satisfaction of his needs. तो जो कल्चर है वो हमारी नीड्स को फुलफिल करता है, क्योंकि कभी कभी हम किसी ऐसी प्रॉब्लम्स में पड़ते हैं जिसका सॉल्यूशन पहले से डिफाइंड होता है, तो वो कल्चर हमारी उन प्रॉब्लम्स को पहले ही सॉल्व कर देता है. It is a system of objects, activities and attitudes in which every part exists as a means to an end. It is an integral in which the various elements are interdependent. Such activities, attitudes, and objects are organized around important and vital tasks into institutions such as family, the clan, the local community, the tribe, and the organized teams of economic cooperation, political, legal, and educational activity. From the dynamic point of view, that is, as regards the type of activity, culture can be analyzed into a number of aspects such as education, social control, economics, system of knowledge, beliefs, and morality, and also modes of creative and artistic expression. According to Malinowski, the functional view of culture lays down the principle that in every type of civilization, every custom, material, object, idea, and belief fulfills some vital function, has some task to accomplish, and represent an indispensable part with a working whole. तो कल्चर में अगर कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट है, कोई भी आइडिया है, कोई भी बिलीफ है, तो उसका कुछ ना कुछ फंक्शन ज़रूर होता है. कोई भी चीज़ बेवजह नहीं होती, यूजलेस नहीं होती. उसका कुछ ना कुछ फंक्शन, कुछ ना कुछ अकॉम्प्लिशमेंट, या वो किसी चीज़ को रिप्रेजेंट करता ही है. Now let's talk about the basic premises of the Malinowski's functionalism theory. The main idea of the theoretical paradigm is to discover the relations between individual needs and social institution. In this process, according to Malinowski, one should never forget that remains at the heart of every institution. It is implicit in the methodology of functionalism to discover how institutions function, how they satisfy the needs of man, both individual and cultural, and how institutions are related to one another. The quest to discover solutions to their questions resulted in the foundation of functionalism as an anthropological school of thought. Functionalism has been defined by Malinowski as the theory of transformation of organic, that is, individual needs, to derived cultural necessities and imperatives. In the functional approach, it is the job of the researchers to discover the specific functions of the elements of culture within an integrated scheme. Functional analysis of culture reveals that it is the hard work of man and the medium through which he achieves his end. Culture should be understood as a means to an end, that is, instrumentally or functionally. The theory of needs. The human individual has certain basic psychological needs. These needs require organized collective responses from the members of the society. These psychological needs include food, shelter, safety, relaxation, movement, and growth. The organized responses to these basic imperatives, the commissariat for nutrition, shelter, and rest, for bodily comfort, protective devices, and organizations for safety, marriage, and family for reproduction, represent derived order for imperative needs. The great institutions of society, economic, political, legal, educationist, and social, are seen by Malinowski as responses to the problem of adaptation posed by the basic psychological needs of man. There is a third imperative, the integrative or synthetic imperatives, which result in the creation of systems of sciences, magic, myth, religion, and art. Science serves to organize and integrate human activities, and myth enhances social tradition by endowing it with wisdom and thus promoting appropriate social behavior. Religion promotes individual security and social cohesion by sanctifying cooperative existence, while art satisfies the craving of human organism for sensual impressions. Now let's talk about the structure of this institution. According to Malinowski, a man, in order to fulfill his various needs, he established organization found in every culture. तो जैसे जैसे मैंस को नीड पड़ती है, हम कुछ ना कुछ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बना देते हैं, कुछ फॉर्मेट बना देते हैं चीज़ों को फॉलो करने का. जैसे कि मैरिज है, किसी एक पर्टिकुलर सोसाइटी में सबकी मैरिज उसी तरीके से होती है, तो वो एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हो गया, इंस्टीट्यूशन हो गया. दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज एन इंटीग्रेटेड स्कीम ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन. Malinowski used the illustration of the charter of an institution. He defined the personnel of an institution as a group organized on different principles of authority and divisions of function. Malinowski used the illustration of the chart of an institution to explain functionalism. He defined the charter of an institution as a system of values for the pursuit of which human beings organized. These values inspire personnel for material apparatus which create activities finally lead to a function. Structure of institution. Malinowski believed that function is a primary basis of differentiation within culture. In other words, institutions differ in that they are organized around different functions. He believed institutions function for continuing life and normality of an organism. Indeed, for Malinowski, the primary reference of the concept of function was the theory of biological needs of the individual organism. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure to press the like button and share this video in your groups. Thank you.